one fall. Introducing first in the far left corner. This is the tag team of Kid Nichols and Eric Wade. And their opponents this evening, this is Rude and Poker Face, Naughty by Nature. Starting things off, we have Eric Wayne and Rude in the ring, sizing each other up, going for a lockup. Rude quickly going for the wrist lock on Eric Wayne. Eric Wayne coming back with a reversal. These two tag teams have been going at it for weeks. They've been going at it for weeks now. Maybe tonight we'll finally get something resolved. Rude able to kick out at 2. Quickly taking down Eric Wayne. Has the lock in on Eric Wayne. Referee's checking. Eric coming in, breaking the hold from Rude, making the tag. Kid Nichols driving that fist into the lower side of Rude. Rude coming back, and a chop. Kid cuts them off. Rude coming back, but then Kid comes back again, and then Rude with another chop. Kid with a forearm. Rude coming in, having Kid Nichols up against the turnbuckle. Setting up. And nice suplex by Rude. Has the cover. Only a 2. Kid Nichols trying to fight. Back on Rude. Having Rude up against the turnbuckle. Driving that shoulder into the lower abdominal. And Rude cuts Kid off. Making the tag. Poker Face is in the ring now. Poker Face set him up with an Irish whip and a reverse elbow. Goes for the cover. And another cover. And Kid Nichols is still able to kick out. These two men are battling out. All 4 of these guys have been going at it consistently week after week. Both teams are great competitors. Naughty by nature, veterans in the wrestling industry. Great tag team. Poker Face makes the tag to Rude, coming in. And a fist to the face. Nichols cuts Rude back off, and he's got Rude in the lock, driving the shoulder. Makes the tag. Eric Wayne is in the ring now, driving that shoulder into the lower abdominal of Rude. Fireman takeover. Has the cover, but it's only a 2 count. Eric Wayne, Irish whip, and a flying knee. Taking down Rude. And Kid Nichols coming in, following up with the elbow. Goes for the cover. Rude kicks out. And a drop toe. And Rude and Kid Nichols going back and forth with each other. Kid Nichols back on. Makes the tag to Eric Wayne. Eric Wayne now in the ring. And a swift kick to the chest of Rude. Kid Nichols making his way on the outside. And now Eric Wayne driving that knee into the head of Rude. Has the cover. Rude still kicks out at 2.
Ring the bell.
Ring. And Kid Nichols coming in trying to fight with. It wasn't. And Poker Face has got the wrist lock on Eric. Eric Wayne goes for the elbow drop, but Poker Face is able to get out of the way. And Poker Face has got the scissor lock right around the lower stomach of Eric Wayne, crushing those lower ribs. Eric Wayne managed to get out of the hold. Driving that knee right into the face of Poker. There's a grip on Poker Face. Rude trying to come in to help his partner out. The referee's telling him to get back to his side. The referee is trying his best to keep Rude on his side. Kid Nichols in the ring. Right on Poker Face. Irish whip and a reverse elbow. And Rude coming in, pulling Kid Nichols off of Poker Face, breaking the count. Kid Nichols driving those forearms into the back of Poker Face. Right now, that is the corner Poker Face does not want to be in. Kid Nichols with the Irish whip in a double team by Eric Wayne and Kid Nichols. Eric Wayne setting up. And he's got the suplex hold on. And Rude once again makes it in time to break the count. Eric Wayne driving those knees into the stomach of Poker Face. Up against the turnbuckle, and Eric Wayne once again driving that knee right into Poker Face. Eric Wayne setting Poker Face up, and a nice DDT off the top rope. Rude trying to make it in time to break the count. There's the tag. Kid Nichols is in the ring. The referee's asking the crowd. Poker Face cuts Kid Nichols off. And these two men are going at it. Poker Face, Irish whip. Goes for the drop kick, but nobody home. Kid Nichols quickly goes in for the cover. Rude breaks the count. Eric Wayne has got the hold on Poker Face. Poker Face managing, trying to get back up onto his feet. Rude is anxious to get in. Poker Face able to break the hold. Eric Wayne goes for the cover. Rude comes back in and breaks the count. Referee trying to keep Rude on the outside of the ring. Saying has to make the tag in order to come in. Kid Nichols comes in. The swift slam. Eric Wayne off the top rope with the elbow. Intimidation on Rude. I've just been informed 9 minutes has passed. There is 1 minute remaining in this match. There's only 1 minute remaining in this match. That was a hard hit onto that solid concrete. Eric Wayne on the outside of the ring on this solid concrete. Stopping Poker Face. Once again, Eric Wayne is now back into the ring. He goes for the cover. Rude breaks the count. Both men are in the ring going at it with each other. Both men are at it. Almost. The time has expired in this match, but that is not stopping these gentlemen from continuing. Like I said, these four gentlemen have been going at it for weeks. Week after week after week, and there has not been any win between these gentlemen. It is not going to stop now. The match has expired. All four men are still in the ring. Eric Wayne with Rude Kid Nichols over on Poker Face. The time has expired.
Hey! Naughty by nature. Can you please let me talk and shut your mouth? Thank you. We do not suck. Don't listen to him, kid. You took your medication, right? You took it right. Don't step on them. They don't know any better. Look, here's the thing. Will you be quiet? Thank you. We've only been here for about a month. I'm going to be honest. If these people would shut up, I would like to tell y'all, we haven't faced anyone as tough as y'all. Match after match after match. Y'all taking us to the limit. And I want to shake your hand because y'all are a hell of a tag team. I'm glad we're here.
What y'all think? I got this one, partner. Check this out. Y'all have been here for 4 months. No, for a month, y'all, excuse me. For a month. And I will give the Devils their due. Ain't too many teams been able to stand up to Naughty by Nature. Ain't too many teams been able to stand tooth and nail with us. So I will give you guys your due, and to show you what kind of real men we are, we will shake your hands right now.
That was a cheap shot. Hold on just a minute. Now, I heard the little dialogue between you two, and what I've witnessed in the ring is that you've wrestled each other, but we have not had a conclusion, a satisfactory conclusion for either one of you.